Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in this tutorial we're going to be creating these button groups here. There's one with a pop-up image and a pop-up video. And there's some that go up and some that go down here. And some circular buttons. I haven't linked those to anything. Divi in itself is a fantastic theme. It just keeps getting better and better. I've designed so many sites with it over the years. It's just crazy. And if you're building any sort of WordPress site at all, I do suggest you take a look at it. You can take it for a test drive from my affiliate link below this video. But these buttons that we're building today, we're going to be using a free plugin. And the plugin's called Divi Supreme Modules. And if you go to your dashboard, to your plugins, just simply hit Add New and put the word Supreme in there and hit Enter. It'll come up right there, Divi Supreme Modules. And like I say, it's free. Mine's already active because I've got it installed on this site. But that's the plugin we'll be using for this video today. Okay, well, let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. I'm going to do this all on the front end today. Let's go down and let's create another row. So just click on the green button. I'll make it a 3-segment, 3-column row. And it's going to pop up and prompt us to insert a module. Now if we scroll down, once you've got that plugin installed, you're going to see these purple highlighted ones here. These are the ones from the Divi Supreme. And I'm going to use a Supreme button. Now, right out of the box, it gives us an option for button 1, button 2 text, because it's 2 buttons and there's an option for a separator in the middle. I'm going to do like I've done for those ones above. I'm just going to call the first one 1 and the second one 2. Now if we scroll on down, get to the link portion, and we're still under the content tab here. And you can either link it like a regular button to any URL or anchor tag on your site wherever you want to. Or you've got the option to open image as a lightbox. I'm going to select that one for this. And you've got to select the image that you want it to open. I'll use the same one that I used before. It was just that one that I happen to have. When you click on that button, that will now open that image for us. And let's go on to button 2 URL. Again, I'm going to skip the URL part. I'm going to say open as a video lightbox. What it's going to do is just prompt us to put in a video URL. Now, if you hover or click on the question mark there, it'll tell you. It says put your video link on the button 2 URL. So I'm just going to go to my YouTube channel, select a video, copy the link address, button 2 URL. I'm simply going to paste the link address in there. Okay, so that's that part done. Let's move this out of the way so we can see a little better. So we've now got 2 buttons that are going to jump to wherever it is we want them to, the image and the video. Now if we close this up, there's an option for a separator, and all a separator is a bit of text, if I just write this in here, that appears between the 2 buttons, which is kind of handy little feature right there. And for mine up there, I used an alt code. And for any of you that don't know what an alt code is, just simply Google alt codes. I'll put this link below the video also. And it comes up with these useful little codes that we've got here. I use them a lot for copyright symbols and things like that. They're really handy. And registered trademark, copyright, as you can see, those are the ones I use most often. But today I'm just going to use smiley face. And that's code number 1, as you see there. So all we do is we go back there, hold down the Alt button and hit the number 1. And as you can see, it's put in a smiley face. It doesn't look too interesting, but then nor do the buttons. So let's go and sort that out. All we need to do is skip over to the Design tab. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is I'm going to go down to Alignment and correct the alignment. I want them left, center, or right. I'm going to hit the center button. As you can see, that's centered them up. Text, well, we haven't really got any text. Well, that is the text within the button there, but I'm not going to change that. Separator text, that's my smiley face. So I think I'm going to go down. Again, we want it center aligned, which I think it is. I'm going to make that yellow. I'm going to bring it up in size. And give it a bit of a background. Okay, that doesn't look like the one I've got before, so I think I've got the wrong alt code actually. I think I wanted the other one, which was Alt 2, which was that one, so I'll just switch that one out quickly. Go back to the content, separator, select that, hold down the Alt key and hit 2. There we go. As you can see, it's looking a bit more like it now. So let's go back to the design, to the separator text. Make it a little bit bigger, similar to that one above. And give it a bit of a drop shadow to make it stand out. There we go, we've got our smiley face. Alright, well let's move on down to the buttons themselves. I'm going to keep the styling very simple. This is just using the Divi default styling. Button 1. Use custom styles, yes. Text size, I'm going to leave that as it is. Background color, just going to make it red. Oh, no, that's the text color. Text color, I'm going to leave as white. Background color, I'll do the same as I did above. We'll make it red. And we've got to make the border the same color, so we'll say border color red also. Now, we used a hover effect with this, so if you look at where it says background color, anything with a little arrow like that beside it, if you click on it, it'll give you a hover option. So on hover, I want a different color background. I'm going to make it the green. And again, we'll want to do the same with the border color. Little arrow, hover option, green. Okay, let's move on down and do the next button. Actually, while I'm here, I'm going to disable the button icon. I don't want any icons on it. And I don't want any box shadow. So button 2, going to do exactly the same thing. Custom styles. Text size we're leaving. Text color white. As you see, when I hit the white, it just disappeared because it's white on white. Background color we want as green this time. Border color, similar thing, we want as green. Don't want an icon, but we do want to change the hover color as we did with the other one. So simply little arrow, hover, color red. Same with the border. Little arrow, hover, color red. Okay, let's save that. And if I exit the Divi Builder now, little purple button down the bottom, hit the save. And we can test out our buttons. Exit the Visual Builder. Roll on down there. Button 1. There we go. It's got our image. As you can see, when we hover over it, it turns to the green color. Button 2. that pops up the video. And again, it's got that nice hover effect on that one too. So that's that set of buttons. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free courses down there. We've also got some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.